Okay, so previously we've looked at finding squares and square roots. So now we're going to look at problems involving square roots and squares. So in this first example, we can see it's asking us to find the square root of 121 plus the square root of 36. Now before we can actually add anything here, we need to find out the square root of 121 and the square root of 36. Well, we know that 11 times 11 is 121, and 6 times 6 is 36. So the square root of 121 is 11, and the square root of 36 is 6. And 11 add 6 is 17. In our next example, it's asking us to work out 5 squared take away 2 squared. Now a common mistake here is to do 5 take away 2 and then square that answer. However, we need to square this first, and then we need to square this one and take the answers away from each other. So 5 squared is the same as 5 times 5, which is 25. And 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2, which is 4. And 25 take away 4 is 21. The last question is slightly different to the previous two, as it asks us to find the square root of half of 72. So the first thing we need to do is work out what is half of 72. And to do that, we do 72 divided by 2, because a half is the same as divided by 2, and that's equal to 36. Now we need to find the square root of 36, and we know that the square root of 36 is equal to 6.